it's Tracy and welcome back to my channel, and I'm so excited today because I'm going to share with you some of my absolute summer essentials. So if you're new here, hello, I'm Tracy. I put out brand new fitness, wellness, and lifestyle videos every single week. So I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel, and for everyone, make sure to press on that bell notification so you know every single time I have a brand new video that goes live. So I'm really thrilled because I actually partnered up with FabFitFun for this video. FabFitFun, if you don't already know, it is a seasonal subscription box. It is all of the best products in fitness, in beauty, in wellness, and in lifestyle. So it's basically like all of the things that you and I are really into. And it's also amazing because number one, it's customizable. You know, it's not one of those situations where it's just like a one size fits all. You actually get to choose what you want in your box. They give you some options, which I think is really cool. And they're full size products. So it's not like those dinky little, you know, trial size. They're actual full size. So you really get a sense of what the products are. It's also really cool, and it's important to me that they work with a lot of female-owned companies and with some great causes. So this box is raising awareness for the Wildlife Conservation Society, and I think that's really important. So let's dive into the products. And oh, before I forget, I also can hook you up. So the value of all of the products in the box are well over $250. The box, it is $49.99, but you can get $10 off your first box. So I will leave the code that you can use. It's code Tracy here on the screen and down here in the description box. So if you've not yet tried FabFitFun, what are you waiting for? You can get $39.99 for over $250 of product, and it's really good stuff. So let's dive in. So if you know me, you know that I was going to start with this because I love this company. Tarte is one of my favorite beauty brands. I think that their products are amazing, their formulations are incredible, and they use really high quality ingredients. So this is the Tarteist Pro Glow Compact. This is for contour and highlight. It is so absolutely stunningly gorgeous. The highlighting shades are fantastic also for eyeshadow. So if you think like, oh, I'm not really into contour, girl, because honestly, they're bronzy, they're perfect for summer that you can use on your eyes. The highlights are powder formulation, so in the summer, you know, when you're sweaty or you get a little sticky, they're going to have a little bit more last. And also the contours, there's two different contours that are cream formulation. So one's a little bit darker than the other. You can use it straight up as contour. I also can use them as eyeshadows, and I have, and also as a bronzer. So this is just an absolutely stunning product, and I know you're gonna absolutely love this. So let's get into this. I thought this was so cute. So this is actually from Pier 1, and it's just this little white marble, sort of like a catch-all tray. I love Pier 1 because they always have really cute home decor stuff, so you can just like jazz up your house a little bit with some pillows or some candles or some just little odds and ends, and this is perfect. Like, I have white dressers, so this looks absolutely beautiful on my dresser, and I love the gold accent. You know, I'm Italian, so I do love gold. And it's great to just, you know, capture, you know, coins or just little things, maybe some of your jewelry, and it looks really chic and beautiful, so I love it. Now this I think is really neat. My skin is actually pretty sensitive, so those spin brushes do not work for me at all. They cause redness. It just doesn't work for me. It makes me break out. But this is the Foreo Luna. This works with Bluetooth technology, and it's so much more gentle than those spin brushes. So basically all you do is you wash your face, you know, you put on your product, and then you use this. It works with Bluetooth technology, and it has sensors, so it actually reads your skin. So I can't wait to dive into this more. It comes with an app. It's really cool. It's basically like a little wizard. That's what I think of it as, like this weird little skincare wizard that's going to help your skin, you know, really gently get a deep clean, but without causing irritation. So I love it. I love the color. It's really cute, and I love that it uses really cutting edge technology. So that's pretty awesome, right? You know we have to practice safe sun, so I'm always a fan of sunscreens, trying out the best sunscreens, you know, what are the best ones that give you great protection without making you look like a white ghost. I hate white cast. So I was really excited when I saw this Coola sunscreen in the box. This is their classic sunscreen. You can rest assured, no white cast. I've been using it, I love it. It's vegan, it's gluten-free, it's cruelty-free, so you can feel really good about using this. you know, I hope you have a vacation coming up. This is perfect. It's also TSA approved, so you can actually travel, you know, put this in a carry-on if you don't want to, you know, pack it away and you're under the airplane luggage. But it's great. It has this great fresh smell. One of the things I hate about some sunscreens is they have that yucky chemical smell, and this does not. It smells just fresh and clean, and it just has this beautiful scent. So no white cast, SPF 50, smells good, total win. So I mentioned that your FabFitFun box is customizable. So you have your choice of using like an enzymatic facial product, a wallet, or a fitness resistance band. So what do you think I chose? Well, yes, I chose the Maggi Fitness Resistance Loop. I love products like this. I love resistance bands because, you know, it's a great way to add a little bit more challenge, a little bit more resistance in your workouts. You know, in Total Body Transformation, we always use loops and bands and ankle weights and balls and all kinds of things like that. So this is a great addition to our repertoire. I also love it. It's small and it weighs literally nothing. So it's going to give you a killer bit of resistance for your legs, your glutes, and your abs, but it doesn't weigh anything. So it's perfect, again, if you're traveling, just throw it in your bag. No excuses. You've been working out, you've been challenging yourself. It's summer, you gotta look good in that bikini, girl, right? So I love that this was in the box. This is Aromatherapy Associates. This is the De-Stress Muscle Gel. This I like to think of as a spa in a tube. It smells like, oh my God, it's so good. It's like eucalyptus and lavender. You know, like when you go to get a massage and you walk in the spa and it just immediately smells amazing? That's exactly what this smells like. It's awesome. So it warms up the body, it de-stresses you. I used it the other day. I was feeling really sore because I was doing a lot of challenging workouts, and it really did, it relaxed me, it made my muscles feel better, and I was so happy because I woke up this morning and I don't feel sore, I don't feel achy. So this is really awesome, and I know that you're gonna love this. If you know me at all, you know that I absolutely love skincare. I love trying new things, and I've used the brand Elemis before, and I guess I was at a hotel and they had their products. It was really nice, their shampoo, their conditioner. So I was thrilled when I opened the box and I saw this. This is the papaya, it's the papaya enzyme peel. Here's what's cool about this. So, you know, we need to exfoliate our skin, right? But a lot of the scrubs and things that are more granular in quality, they can actually cause some damage, especially if you have sensitive skin, which I do. So I love this. Basically, you just wash your face, you put a thin layer of this on. It also smells amazing. It smells like papaya. I mean, you actually kind of want to eat it. And just leave it on your skin for 10 minutes. And then when you rinse it off, you have that refreshed, glowy, dewy, more youthful look, which I know we all love. So you're going to be really excited to see this in your box too. And it's summer, so you know you want to go to the beach, but how annoying is it when the sand gets all over your towel? Well, not to worry, girlfriend, I got your back. This is the Summer and Rose microfiber beach towel. Why is that important? Because it basically deflects the sand. So I haven't tried it, I haven't gone to the beach yet, but definitely have used this up on my roof. We have Tar Beach here in Manhattan, and I just love, I mean, how adorable are the colors here? It's a perfect summer party, like absolutely beautiful. So really thrilled to have this in the box. So that's what I've got for you today. I really hope that you take advantage of the $10 off. Remember, just use code Tracy, and instead of $49.99 for over $250 of product, you can pay just $39.99, which is pretty awesome. Make sure, if you do, leave me a comment down below because I want to hear how you customized your FabFitFun box. It's so cool that you get to do that. I just love that. That's what I've got for you today. I hope you have an awesome week. You are amazing, and I will see you next time.